Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where you will master cloud and FinOps. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. So in last video we talked about subscription. I hope you gone through that video and you understood the subscription. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the resource groups. Resource group is one of the important concept in Azure. It is not there in AWS and GCP. So we need to understand what exactly the purpose of resource group which Azure want to achieve. So resource group is nothing but a virtual grouping or logical grouping of the related resources. When I'm saying logical grouping of resources, the grouping could be based on multiple attributes, like it could be based on the projects, or resource can be grouped together in a resource group based on the cost centers or application. So there are several ways to see it, that how organization or enterprise want to group the resources. So we need to understand couple of key aspects of resource groups. Resource group should be always alphanumeric in terms of name. So its name should be alphanumeric. The second important point is, while creating a resource group, you need to select a region. So we will discuss this point in the next section of this video. But for now, you need to remember, or you need to by heart, that resource group should need the region selection while we create it. One important aspect which you also need to remember, that resources from multiple regions can be the part of one resource group. So in the previous point we discussed that we need a location or region while creating the resource group, but again, in that particular resource group which is in the specific location or specific region, resources from other region also can be reside. So there is no restriction on the resource location where the resource is located. You can club multiple resources across geographies in one single resource group. And the fourth important point is, resource group is a logical grouping. It is not a resource. So it is just the grouping of resources. And whenever you will delete any resource group, all the resources which are inside that resource group will also get deleted. So you should be very, very careful or extra careful while deleting the resource group. So I saw the previous cases where the individual, because of the human error, deleted the resource, and somehow what the resources are also deleted from that resource group. So you should be extra careful. There are governance mechanism which will help you to avoid such kind of accident deletion, which we will discuss in upcoming videos. But for now, you need to just understand that resource group deletion is extra sensitive, and you need to be sensitive here while deleting the resource group. So now coming to the previous question, why we need the region for creating the resource group, and also how the multiple resources from different location can sit in one resource group. So does really the location of resource group matter? And what will happen if the location of resource group will not be available, or it is facing some outage or disaster? So if you have any thoughts, feel free to put it in the comment section. For now, let me resolve this ambiguity or this query, that yes, resources from multiple region can sit in one resource group, and obviously you need a region while creating the resource group. So what exactly that region does here? So when you create a resource group, all the metadata will get stored in that particular region. So for example, if you are creating a resource group in East US region, so your metadata of resource group will sits in East US. Now what will happen, that your resource group is hosting the services from multiple region, but that particular East US region where the only resource group metadata is there, not available. So in that case, you will not able to update any resource. When I'm saying update any resource, means changing the configuration of that resource or doing any administrative action on that resource, but that resource will continue to work. So for example, resource group is in East US and your resource group is hosting the APAC resources, or resources which are hosted in APAC. So as only East US is impacted, or region which is hosting the metadata of resource group is only impacted, only updation, deletion, or administrative task in terms of metadata will not be possible, but your resources which are from the APAC geography or APAC region inside that resource group, they will continue to function. Only updation or changing the configuration will get impacted. So remember, resource group is not only logical grouping of related resource, but it is storing the metadata, which is important in terms of cloud resources. So I hope you have now basic understanding of resource group, and you can answer this question to anyone if they ask you about resource group, the location significance for the resource group, and how the resources from multiple region can reside inside the resource group. So I believe you understood all these concepts. In case if you have any further query, feel free to put it in the comment section. I will try to answer that. Until the time, stay tuned with me, like the video, and do not forget to share and subscribe so other audience can also get benefited out of it, and you will also get the notification for my upcoming video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.